Hello, old friend. I have released many videos before. Everyone likes the hairstyle very much. Today, it is also a curling hair tutorial. Today, I mainly want to be this princess. I send this detailed teaching. And then my last video used a manual curling iron. Many wives may find it a little troublesome to curl up. Today we use this automatic curling iron to replicate it, our curling head. Before setting it, the first thing is to comb it smoothly, and the second thing is to partition it. What about after my hair? Not very few, really. Rarely it seems that I've caught them all only a little bit, so under normal circumstances it is the upper and lower floors. If you are really a lot, in fact, I think score. 3 layers are also possible. We are now divided into upper and lower floors. We put the above one. Okay, just give it to him next time. This operation is really simple. The newly upgraded stick body this time is longer than the old one. I basically haven't used the previous manual one since I received it. Now, okay, the curling iron I'm using now is 36 millimeters. Yes, it has this anti-scalding strip on the outside, so don't be afraid. You are burned because of me. The one I used before was actually burned. Been there because of it every head of this size has this anti-scalding packaging. When changing, you need to change the whole one. So you don't have to be afraid of burning your hands. Then, its 3 dimensions are 28 millimeters, respectively. 32 millimeters and 36 millimeters. Okay, let's put this next. The 3 sizes are respectively above to show you the difference. First of all, this is 28 millimeters. This whole wrist is really convenient and safe. It's very simple to replace it with the second one, which is number 32. The last one is 36 millimeters. That's how creepy can this sound, but don't know she'll go. Okay, we agree. Ready to officially start after we plug it in. Turn on the electricity and adjust it to the temperature you want. I usually use this 150 degrees because my head. Send comparison. Soft? Let's talk about today's. How should the partition be rolled? First of all, take out the near. 1/3 of the face, and then this one, because it is close to the face, is square to the face. To roll is to roll inward, and then the curling iron inside it has a seam like this. Gap this. Seam. What about the gap? Face out, face this out, and then put it in to see, otherwise it will get stuck in this seam. Okay, we want this one. Turn to the face so it's one side to the left. Then just press left and it turns towards his face. Okay, after he goes in, we put it down and don't move, and then we will wait for him. Then he beeps like this, and after a few beeps, he becomes famous, and then he gently puts it down for him. Well, what do you think? It feels QQ sugar, and then our hand doesn't touch it yet, just gently like this. It goes from the back. Don't touch it. Wait for it to relax for a while, and then the second part, which is the middle piece, is aversion. It's this seam. Put it out, push it down, blow this wind, this inside, this outside. Turn that over to Shang Yuju. Take it off slowly and gently. Still playing cue, this one is. Turn inward, hold it steady, push it down here, and then if this one faces out, it is to go. Turn left. How about this one? I'll roll it first. inside this one. Now take this groove and put it in the seam, and then push it down, and push it down here. It's facing your face. It's this way. Press left. Wait for him here. Okay. Right. Okay. Sit this way. Okay. This little one of mine, you take it from the root and you give it up. Put the face down and the hot row is close. This part of the face faces out, and it is used to plug the small face roll. Press the left side. Oh my god, the second step is to roll it out. Okay, plug it in and roll it back. Okay, the last one. Okay, take it down and play it. Here comes the spring. Let's go for something. The last says, first, I will show you the effect of rolling. So it looks good. The only flaw in the ointment is the bangs. And because of my bangs, there are no good rolls. Well, but what we're doing today is this princess curly hair. The bangs are just right to be less combed, and then you can see the front pinch. There are so many of these, you can take a look. It's probably one. It's a big triangle, and then it's like this for a little bit, let it stay for a circle or so, and then that's how long that's home. Since I had it, the frequency of my curly hair has increased. It was quite troublesome to use that manual roll before, and it was really convenient. Bye-bye. That's it for today's hair teaching.